Aye, because I forgot you were a midget.
Right.
I know. Because if you're going to do it, you can't do it straight in, because that's good.
I've got another real YouTube on ages.
Well, I know.
Right, no. Shall I go in?
Like fucking...
Right.
He's got to do it.
Oh, don't put it down to two. Don't put it down to two, you fud.
Dirty fucking gypsy.
Well, I put it down a bit.
Fine, Jackie.
Watch your eyes.
Give up.
Right.
What's the boss danger mouse?
Don't like it.
Right, go.
Right.
No, that's
No.
Well, no, there's no fucking...
No, we take us up. We take us up a bit of fucking speed.
it's alright, because I'll not to be in the morning and get another one. No new Andy.
Well, that's
Oh,
not a
you
fucking
go that one.
challenge,
You
is
get
it?
that on top spin
Fuck
there,
me.
ain't you?
Honestly, you'll be there.
Right, Jim. Or right. We take us a good place. Shit. Right, I think you're as well just jumping,
You
Andy.
can't even work a chair.
You can't show before it's like...
Well, it's because your fucking shit chairs don't come with instructions, you cunt. Please put ours on fucking.
Full copying this. It's on YouTube.
Right, I've only got. Right.
That is fucking fast, that man.
Not really.
Not stopped, is it?
Ah, well.
Don't stop till you get enough.
Fuck's sake, man. Why not even fucking agree to do this shit?
Right. No, Jim. No, Jim. That's the game.
Hang yourself, eh? Hang yourself.
You have to jump about.
Right, fuck that.
I used to have a fucking
Instead of
flare.
breaking your floor, I'll just fucking date man. Honestly. That's not because we get in that.
It's gonna fucking.
The chairman! The chair's not fucking...
Hey, you're a fucking scumbag chair, you dick.
You fucking ate
Right, hold that, hold that.
You picked the one wonky fucker.
Yeah. Right,
Every-
so copying, I'll fucking do it.
What are you doing in my chair, man?
Exactly.
What are you doing in my chair? Fuck hell, man. Many pies do you have before you come in?
Autumn, and a bit of potato.
No, we need a new chair. You fucked that one.
New balls! New balls, please! Come on, Fanny Curry. Get it fucking done.
It's not his wobble, it was still Jimmy Savile dodgy.
Oh,
I need
too,
something to stand
too
on.
soon.
Fucking shit, this.
Right, why move your
Shit to
fucking...
stand on, because I already are totally in the carpet.
Move your fucking tail road, man. I can't, it's a runner. It's not fucking...